Hi guys, thanks for stopping by. This is Sophia. I have a super quick project share. I am gifting some cards to my mom for Mother's Day and I wanted to come on and share them. So these are the cards. I have left them blank inside. I just did a plain white liner so that she can use them for any occasion that she wants, and she will just handwrite them inside. And yeah, I used a Sizzix die. You can see what Sizzix die it is in the description, or there is a previous video that I put up with me assembling these die cuts. And so this is the die cut. This paper is from a Recollections paper pad from like 2 years ago, and I don't think it had a name on it. Oxford Garden is what it's called. So this is the first one, and it has green foil cardstock, also Recollections, and I kind of just placed the moths depending on the pattern paper and what I thought might look best. And I do like how they came out. I hope that she likes them too. I was kind of on the fence if I needed to maybe add like a word or something, but I just decided that this was going to be okay. So hopefully she agrees. Like I said, I do like how they came out. And some of the foil is green and some of it is gold, which you probably already figured out. And then this one, this is a sheetload of cards. I want to say it's December 2021. So check that out if you would like to make some similar cards with this like same sketch. And then this is the one that I'm actually going to write in Happy Mother's Day and whatever and give to her. I didn't want to cut into a brand new piece of gold foil cardstock because I only needed one more. So I had a scrap of this glitter gold, and I just decided to use that so that I didn't have to make more scraps. But yeah, let me know what you think of my cards in the comments, please, and thank you for spending a little bit of your time with me. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.